Hi there, welcome to this video, and in this video I want to show you how you can be able to pay for your NHIF contributions. And I want you to note that there has been a few changes because our president wanted everything to be synchronized to eCitizen, so all payments for the government are going through eCitizen. And we've had some issues with payment with NHIF, and those who've been trying to pay maybe December last year had problems with this. But fortunately, they have solved the problem and they have integrated, so you can be able to pay NHIF contributions via eCitizen. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to do that. And so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing is to log in, and I did that for this, my friend who is the former MCA for my ward. So I'll just move straight to contributions to show you the contributions. So he's paid up to February, and I'm recording this video on 29th of February, all right? So I'll click on pay contribution, then you can pay for yourself or pay for someone else. So I'll just move down here, and then you put the amount that you want to pay and click pay for self, and it will load, and it tells you that success STK push sent to this number. So all you need to do is now to put the M-Pesa PIN, and 500 shillings will be deducted from your account. All right, that is how simple it is. And to know that I've paid, let's just go to contributions, and now look at this. It has updated just instantly, and he has now paid up to March 2024. This is how you can be able to pay for your contributions, as easy as it is. I hope that you found value in this video, and if that is the case, please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I want you to click anywhere on this screen to watch our next video, and I'm hoping that I will see you in that video. Peace.